Hey, Dr. Ben here with ViveWell Health. Today I'd like to talk about metabolism and the role that energy production is in the repair process and how we get people feeling better here. Now, for most people, it's good to begin with the fact that we breathe oxygen and it mixes with the food that we eat. And we can see that here where we eat fats, carbs, and proteins, and it gets broken down inside of a cell membrane to make energy. Now, during this process, we make oxygen radicals, and they want to react with things. If left unchecked, this is what makes rust or green bananas that turn brown. But fortunately, inside of our bodies, we have these things called antioxidants, and they can quench the oxygen radicals. Now, most of the infusions that we do tackle the trouble here down in the cell membranes. So whether it's omega-3 fatty acids or phosphatidylcholine or antioxidants, glutathione, all the things that we do help at this level. Now, oftentimes people will talk about nutrition in the consults, and it's important to focus on the healthy choices that we know we need to make, but then also the food needs to be digested and then absorbed into the body. And then once inside your bloodstream, there are a number of genetic factors that affect how we use nutrition. So oftentimes we'll order some follow-up tests to get a better idea of how we can help you there. Now, it's important to remember that toxins inhibit the energy production. And there's a couple different buckets of toxins that we talk about. Environmental toxins, these are the diesel smoke or the herbicides or pesticides or plastic water bottles or paint thinner down the drain, whatever it is. There's a lot of stuff there. The next category would be the toxic metals. There's hundreds of millions of tons of leaded gasoline dust that's been put into the atmosphere. So oftentimes we'll see lead problems in water, or we'll see mercury problems with fish, or cadmium in the dark chocolate, or even arsenic in our rice. The list goes on, and it's enough to make you put your head in the sand. Next is a group of biological toxins. You've probably heard of people who have had problems with mold or mycotoxins, or people who could never shake the Epstein-Barr virus, or they've had reactivated viruses after long COVID. Or then there's other people who never could seem to get rid of Lyme disease. So we help chase down some of these biological toxins as well. In all, problems with nutritional deficiencies and toxin load can cause problems with energy. And this is what we pay attention to. The more energy you make, the more you repair, and the more you feel better.